Today is a big day.
I must look professional.
This jacket is perfect. A little jewelry is nice. Focus on the speech. I must remember this part. My bag is packed. Here I go. The bus comes soon. The city is busy today. Practice makes perfect. That is my office building. The lobby is very grand. I go to the top floor. I look ready now. Room 402 is here. I am Horströmi Orn here. I am the first one here.
I must set up my computer.
The slides look good.
The view relaxes me.
Water helps my voice. Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is the most important part. I have one more thing. Nesbu Hor. They are clapping for me. That went very well.
I will text Nova.
I send good news. Oh? The hard work is done. Time for a late lunch. It is peaceful here. The flowers smell sweet. I deserve a treat. One cupcake, please. I am heading home. The ride home is nice. I am a little tired. My neighborhood is near. Walking feels good. Just a magazine today. Home sweet home. I'm okay now. My feet are happy now. I can relax my shoulders. This looks delicious. Chocolate is my favorite. The sofa is soft. I will keep these photos. The day is ending. The light is cozy.
Tea helps me rest.
I love to read stories. I love to read stories. Tomorrow is a new day. I wash away the day. Pajamas are the best. Ready for sleep. Closed. My pillow is soft.
I am very warm. Suryak tried. Very warm.
Lights out.